The Verge TS Pro is not just another electric motorcycle. It is a statement of the future. Its hubless rear-wheel design immediately sets it apart, giving it a look straight out of science fiction. Riders are drawn not only to its futuristic appearance but also to the engineering that makes it possible. The in-wheel motor provides seamless power delivery while reducing moving parts, which means less maintenance and more reliability. Every glance at the TS Pro reminds you that you are riding a piece of tomorrow. Today. Performance is at the heart of this machine. With jaw-dropping torque delivered instantly, the TS Pro launches forward with breathtaking speed, putting it in direct competition with the fastest gas-powered superbikes. Its acceleration is smooth yet violent, a reminder of what electric motors are truly capable of when engineered without compromise. The riding experience is enhanced with cutting-edge traction control and rider modes, ensuring that all that power remains accessible and safe. Whether on city streets or open highways, technology extends beyond performance into rider interaction. The Verge TS Pro comes equipped with advanced connectivity, allowing riders to monitor real-time data, adjust performance settings, and even plan routes optimized for charging. Its large digital display and integrated smart features ensure that the bike feels as intelligent as it is powerful. This blend of speed and connectivity appeals to a generation of riders who want both thrills and tech seamlessly integrated into their journeys. Perhaps the most striking aspect is the emotional connection it creates. The Verge TS Pro is not just about efficiency or speed, it's about presence. Wherever it goes, it turns heads, capturing the imagination of anyone who sees it. The combination of futuristic design, Tron-like lighting, and silent but ferocious performance makes it a viral sensation. It doesn't just move through the streets, it owns them, proving that the future of motorcycling has arrived, and it looks unlike anything we've seen before.